Closing deals means knowing when and how to offer a discount, and who better to show us than Iron Man. Iron Man doesn't just throw around discounts, he strategizes and uses the right tools to make every move count. Your prospect is asking for a discount, but you're not sure if it's the right time or if the discount will hurt your margin. That's like Iron Man going into battle without his tech. It's risky. Tools like Lean Data and MadKudu can help you understand when your prospects are ready for a discount by analyzing deal probability and fit. Apollo.io lets you score deals. But it doesn't stop there. PandaDoc and DocuSign can automate your contract and proposal generation. Moksy.ai can also help by creating dynamic landing pages that highlight discounts and limited time offers, ensuring your prospects see the value right away. Act now and subscribe for more tips.